Optimize operations is asset software for a specific operational decision, identifies and recommends optimal operational parameters and strategies through iterative simulation, This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that assets teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Optimize operations narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Optimize operations starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include current production rate, electricity cost, maintain quality specifications, planned maintenance frequency, and equipment age. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate energy consumption per produced unit by adjusting base energy consumption for throughput efficiency and age-related degradation. Determine the production rate that maximizes profit by balancing revenue per unit against energy costs and quality-related losses. Project yearly maintenance expenses based on maintenance frequency, equipment age, and degradation rate with appropriate penalty multipliers. Calculate realistically attainable operational availability considering planned maintenance downtime and unplanned outages based on current throughput, and compute overall equipment effectiveness by multiplying availability, performance efficiency, and quality rate. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how assets teams actually make decisions. Optimize operations returns structured outputs such as overall equipment effectiveness, improvement potential, optimal throughput, annual maintenance cost, and OEE performance. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of optimize operations is not just automation. It is a controlled way to turn repeated assets work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.